Want to turn your long tech reviews into short viral clips without editing anything yourself? Here's how to do it easily with AI Video Cut. Just open AI Video Cut and either upload your video or paste your YouTube link if it's already posted. No giant file transfers, no waiting forever. Now choose your clip style. For a tech review, you can select a specialized prompt such as product features, showcase, or testimonial. You can also try viral clips, positive and negative highlights, whatever fits your video. Choose your aspect ratio and a video language for an accurate transcription. Select the caption style you want or turn them off completely. Click Submit and wait for the magic to happen. And here are the clips AI Video Cut made. Each video comes with a headline and description, ready to post right away. If the transcript or subtitle style needs to be fixed, click Edit and fine-tune your video. Try it yourself and turn your existing videos into more content for your social media.
With the power of this incredible AI tool, I'm able to isolate certain instruments or remove them entirely if I'm performing, if I'm learning music, or if I just want to practice.